Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of e-commerce and dropshipping? Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Shopify offers a powerful platform to turn your business dreams into reality. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the 10 essential steps to make money with dropshipping and e-commerce through Shopify. From choosing the perfect niche to scaling your business for long-term success, we've got you covered. Discover how to find reliable suppliers, optimize your product listings, and drive traffic to your Shopify store. Learn the secrets to converting visitors into loyal customers and managing orders with ease. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also explore strategies for customer retention, staying informed about industry trends, and adapting to the ever-changing e-commerce landscape. Whether you're looking to build a side hustle or launch a full-fledged online empire, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to thrive in the world of e-commerce. So let's dive in and unlock the potential of Shopify together. Number 1. Choose your niche. Selecting the right niche is crucial for the success of your dropshipping business. Conduct thorough market research to identify a niche with high demand and low competition. Consider factors such as profitability, target audience demographics, and market trends. Utilize tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and competitor analysis to gather insights into potential niches. Additionally, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, as this will make it easier for you to understand your target audience and curate relevant products. Number 2. Set up your Shopify store. Creating a professional and user-friendly Shopify store is essential for establishing credibility and attracting customers. Sign up for a Shopify account and choose a suitable plan based on your business needs. Customize your store's design, layout, and branding to reflect your niche and appeal to your target audience. Select a visually appealing theme from Shopify's theme store and customize it to match your brand identity. Ensure that your store is easy to navigate, with clear product categories and a streamlined checkout process. Incorporate high-quality images and compelling product descriptions to showcase your products effectively. Number 3. Source products. Finding reliable suppliers is key to ensuring product quality and customer satisfaction in dropshipping. Research and vet potential suppliers thoroughly to ensure they offer high-quality products, reliable shipping, and good customer service. Consider using dropshipping platforms like Oberlo or AliExpress to source products for your Shopify store. These platforms allow you to easily import products to your store and manage inventory without the need to hold stock. Choose products that align with your niche and meet your target audience's needs and preferences. Negotiate pricing and shipping terms with suppliers to maximize your profit margins and ensure competitive pricing for your customers. Number 4. Optimize product listings. Optimizing your product listings is essential for attracting organic traffic and converting visitors into customers. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight the features, benefits, and unique selling points of each product. Use persuasive language and incorporate relevant keywords to improve search engine visibility. Invest in high-quality product photography to showcase your products in the best possible light. Include multiple images from different angles and provide zoom functionality to give customers a clear view of the product. Use clear and concise titles that accurately describe the product and incorporate relevant keywords. Optimize product tags and categories to improve searchability within your Shopify store. Number 5. Drive traffic to your store. Generating traffic is crucial for the success of your Shopify store. Implement a multi-channel marketing strategy to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your store. Utilize search engine optimization techniques to improve your store's visibility in search engine results pages. Conduct keyword research and optimize your website content, meta tags, and URLs for relevant keywords. Leverage social media marketing to engage with your audience, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to your store. Create compelling content, run targeted ads, and engage with your followers on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Collaborate with influencers and bloggers in your niche to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your store. Implement email marketing campaigns to nurture leads, promote new products, and drive repeat purchases. Build an email list through lead magnets, pop-ups, and incentivized signups, and send targeted and personalized email campaigns to your subscribers. Number 6. Convert visitors into customers. Converting website visitors into customers is essential for driving sales and revenue. Optimize your website for conversions by improving user experience and implementing persuasive tactics. Ensure that your website is mobile responsive and loads quickly to provide a seamless browsing experience across devices. Streamline the checkout process and minimize friction by offering guest checkout options and multiple payment methods. Use persuasive copywriting and compelling calls to action to encourage visitors to take desired actions, such as making a purchase or signing up for your email list. Leverage social proof by showcasing customer reviews, testimonials, and user-generated content to build trust and credibility. Implement scarcity and urgency tactics, such as limited-time offers and countdown timers, to create a sense of urgency and encourage immediate action. Offer incentives such as discounts, free shipping, or exclusive deals to incentivize purchases and drive conversions. Monitor your website analytics and conduct A/B testing to identify areas for improvement and optimize your conversion rate over time. Number 7. Manage orders and fulfillment. Efficiently managing orders and fulfillment is crucial for providing a positive customer experience and building trust with your audience. Use Shopify's order management system to track orders, manage inventory, and fulfill customer orders seamlessly. Coordinate with your suppliers to ensure timely order fulfillment and accurate shipping information. Communicate proactively with customers regarding order status, shipping updates, and any potential delays. Offer multiple shipping options and transparent shipping rates to provide flexibility and transparency to your customers. Implement a returns and exchange policy to handle customer inquiries and resolve any issues promptly and professionally. Utilize order tracking and delivery confirmation to provide customers with peace of mind and reduce the risk of lost or delayed shipments. Continuously monitor your fulfillment process and make adjustments as needed to ensure efficiency and customer satisfaction. Number 8. Optimize and scale. Continuous optimization and scaling are essential for growing your dropshipping business and maximizing profitability. Analyze your store's performance metrics, such as traffic, conversion rate, and sales, to identify areas for improvement and optimization. Use Shopify's built-in analytics tools or integrate third-party analytics platforms to gain insights into customer behavior and purchasing patterns. Experiment with different marketing channels, strategies, and tactics to identify what works best for your business. Test and iterate on your product offerings, pricing strategies, and promotional campaigns to optimize your sales and revenue. Scale your business by expanding your product range, targeting new markets, or investing in additional marketing channels. Automate repetitive tasks and processes wherever possible to streamline operations and free up time for strategic decision-making. Stay up to date with industry trends, technological advancements, and changes in consumer behavior to stay ahead of the competition and capitalize on new opportunities. Number 9. Customer retention. Fostering customer loyalty and retention is essential for sustainable growth and long-term success. Implement strategies to provide exceptional customer service and build lasting relationships with your audience. Offer personalized shopping experiences by segmenting your audience and tailoring your marketing messages and promotions accordingly. Implement a customer loyalty program to reward repeat purchases and encourage customer engagement and loyalty. Stay engaged with your audience through email marketing, social media, and other communication channels to keep your brand top of mind and encourage repeat business. Encourage customers to leave reviews and testimonials to build social proof and credibility for your brand. Monitor customer feedback and address any concerns or issues promptly and professionally to demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction. Continuously analyze customer data and feedback to identify opportunities for improvement and innovation to enhance the overall customer experience. Number 10. Stay informed and adapt. The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay informed about industry trends, technological advancements, and changes in consumer behavior. Keep up with the latest news, insights, and best practices through industry publications, blogs, forums, and online communities. Network with other e-commerce entrepreneurs and professionals to exchange ideas, share experiences, and learn from each other. Be open to feedback and willing to adapt your strategies and tactics based on the evolving needs and preferences of your target audience. By staying informed and adaptable, you can position your dropshipping business for long-term success and growth in the competitive e-commerce market. By following these detailed steps and strategies, you can effectively leverage dropshipping and e-commerce to make money through Shopify. Remember that success in this industry requires dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. Stay proactive, stay adaptable, and be willing to iterate on your strategies to achieve your goals and build a profitable online business.